I'm going to show you one of the simplest ways to generate passive income today. Who doesn't want to make money by doing nothing? Crypto trading bots are one of the methods I've been researching to generate passive income online. And boy oh boy did I come across a bunch of horrible, weird, scammy bots before finally discovering a treasure. And that treasure is Dan Hollings' creation, The Plan. Essentially, you set up this system and then leave it to run on its own while the money comes in automatically for you. In today's video review of The Plan, I'll go over all of the useful information you need to know, share my personal results with you, and let you decide if this cryptocurrency bot is right for you. And you can join The Plan by using the link in the description box below, which you can also use to get a free bonus from me as well, which I'll explain a little bit later, so stay tuned for that. So let's get this party started. First and foremost, what is The Plan? It is essentially a training course that teaches you how to make money with cryptocurrency using bots. Also, as previously stated, they break everything down step by step, making everything very easy to follow, and they cover everything you need to know. They have a very friendly support team that will assist you if you have any problems or questions. The course even covers some of the most basic concepts, such as signing up for and depositing to an exchange, which just goes to show how user-friendly it is for beginners. Another cool feature of The Plan is that it does not require you to install it as an app, download it as an extension, or do anything else complicated. You do not need to download any software because everything can be done through your browser. And that's also really great because you can learn The Plan and use it no matter where you are. You don't need to carry around like a specific laptop with the app installed for you to learn and earn. So here's some background context behind The Plan. It was created by Dan Hollings, who spent a very long 3 years testing and retesting crypto theories and formulas, and who spent $5 million before discovering this brilliantly put together course, which literally churns out profits all the time. I'm sure you're wondering how you can get involved with The Plan. I'm afraid I can't give you a proper insider review because you have to sign a non-disclosure agreement, which makes sense given the course's high value. But I can talk about other things like how credible Dan Hollings is and show you my personal results. But first, let me explain why I thought The Plan was unique among all the other bots. So Dan, the creator, was a big reason I chose The Plan. If you look into him, you'll find that honestly, guys, he's just a very smart man with a whole wealth of experience. He predicted many trends such as mobile shopping and internet marketing before they were even a thing. Something that really stood out to me was that he was the marketing genius behind The Secret, even getting it on the Oprah Winfrey Show, which contributed to its success. He also coached over 30,000 students on how to successfully sell on Amazon using another little known secret formula, which resulted in his top students earning nearly 1 million in revenue per month. So in a nutshell, Dan is one of those people who you can trust, which is why I chose to go with his creation, The Plan. So first, let's look at my own personal results from using the bots, and then I'll go into detail about how this all works.
So here are some of my results using The Plan. So these are the results of some bots. Here you have the time, 2 months, 3 months, 2 months, 24 days. So this is the Dan Hollings The Plan power if you already know exactly how it works. But here you have the change. In fact, the change does not correspond to what the bot did, but it more corresponds to what the market did. So in fact, those results are not thanks to me, but are just thanks to what the market did. What the bot did is in this way the bot profit. By the way, here I'm not on the demo account, I'm on the real account where I use my bots trading. So here you have the bot profit, and in fact, what is more important is not the bot profit, is the average daily. So here you have 0.31% in 10 days, 0.73%, etc. And for the long bots, for example, 1 month, 2 months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 month, yeah, I've done a lot more bots. I have done more than 140 bots, and I found out that my average is lower than that. Now my average is 0.41%, but only when the bot is active. Now, when the bot goes down and then it goes out of the range, yes, it goes down and then goes out of the range. Of course, there is no activity anymore and no bot earning anymore because it stopped the bot for right now. So I put the official link in these video descriptions below where I joined the plan.
So now we get to the meat of the matter. How can you create a passive income using bots? How does this reasoning work? First and foremost, we must go step by step, just as we would with any other plan. You must first select a pair of coins that will be traded simultaneously in one bot. You must next follow the step-by-step method to give your bot orders. You do this by adjusting the parameters and setting the ranges. Those of you who are still watching may be wondering how to get started. Signing up is as simple as clicking the link in the description box below. Set aside a little bit of time to learn the plan, and once you've nailed that, you can simply start taking action, which takes even less time. Dan creates videos for the first 6 sessions of the plan because it is a much more engaging way to learn the material and, wrap your head around the theories. In the online members portal, all members have lifetime access to training and a whole bunch of other useful resources. All of this really helps you out with learning everything from the ground up in a very simple, easy to understand way, which is why it is just so perfect for beginners or for those who don't have that much experience. Now I'm just going to answer 3 frequently asked questions that I think would be helpful. So am I in control? Your exchange account must be in your name only. You cannot and you should not give it to anyone else. You have complete control over your finances. You can cash out whenever you want, cancel everything, and leave whenever you want without penalty. How long does it take to complete the training? It takes about 15 hours and is completed through a live Zoom course available in your members portal. You can also watch and rewatch the videos whenever you want. How long does it take to finish setting everything up? It will take a couple of hours for verification and other processes to finish before your setup is complete and you can begin. It might take longer or it might be quicker depending on where you live and your level of experience when it comes to trading and crypto. After you've set everything up, you only need to invest around like an hour a week to maintain your bots. And just so you know, no one is giving you investment advice. You're simply learning how to use an established, proven system, and you should always do your own research. The plan is merely a guide, a fantastic guide that helps you out along the way. So a reminder that to join, if you use the link in the description box below, you will join the plan instantly, where I joined the plan as well. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.